Now then, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out some heated apparel from DEWBU. Okay, so in this box we have got a coat, an electric coat. So electric coat to keep us nice and warm and toasty on those wintry, cold days and nights that are upcoming, especially in the UK into the winter months. So the company is DEWBU, DEWBU, I may be saying that wrong, but anyway, it's heated apparel, a long-lasting electric heat. Let's see what else we've got on the box. Safety and innovation. Say hi to warmth. So this coat hopefully has got lots of heating elements built in, maybe on the back, the front, the arms for example, we will see. But this should be a black coat, hooded coat. It's obviously got the heating built into it. So this should have a battery that comes with it that we plug in to heat things up. So let's stop talking, let's get inside this box and check out the actual coat first of all, and then we'll actually show it on me, test it out, and then I'll take it out of the box, obviously try the coat on, we'll see what it's like, and we'll do a little bit of a summary review at the end. So, in the box, let's see what we have got. So we've got the coat, a little label there, quick start guide. And in here is a 12-volt power bank with an intelligent LED display, it says. That's everything that's inside the box. Let's check out the battery first of all, because obviously the battery is quite important for obviously heating up this coat, or powering the heating elements inside this coat. So in here, let's just check this out. So, a battery pack inside here, so plenty of weight to that, so I assume that's probably quite a large battery. Let's take a look. 5,000 milliamp hours. So it is the model DB0125. It says battery energy 10.8 volt, 54 watt hours. We've got USB type C of output, 5 volt, 1.5 hours, 8,700 milliamp hours it says in that. Okay, so let's just check things out anyway, see how we get on from there. Also in this one we have got a USB cable which will be to charge up this. So obviously you plug that side into a power outlet, plug the USB-C into there, and we can plug that in. In theory I guess you could probably use this as a power bank, could you? Maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, you can charge like that, charge from a power bank to the battery, charge it up, ready to go. There's also a secondary port on there, which is a DC port, which is the kind of barrel connection that will connect into this coat. We've got other things on here. We've got a single button. Oh, it does say there is a LED display on here, so press and hold it perhaps. Maybe it's dead. So I do have another battery pack here. See if I can charge that up. So you can see that's come on. So it is at 0%, that's why that screen wasn't working. So before we do anything, I will have to charge this up anyway, which is kind of expected. So we'll make sure it's fully charged anyway, just to prolong the battery life. So I'll just leave that charging for now, just to the side, that looks good. Nothing else in here really, just about the energy. It does say, before first use, make sure the battery is fully charged. And attention please, it says it can only be used for 12 volt heated jackets and charging mobile devices. So you can charge mobile devices with it. So, let's get to the jacket now. We've got the battery, so we've got a user guide here, quick start guide, just showing you how to use it. You can see, watch a quick 30-second video, and here we go. So we've got heating zones, multiple heating zones. We've got 2 front heating zones, kind of on the stomach area down there. We've got 2 on the arms, so kind of just there on the arms, and then on the back as well, which is great. Just to mention, I've got the DEWBU US XL, or the EU XL. In Asian, that's a 2XL, but it's the men's jacket. There are other options on the DEWBU website that you can get different styles, different sizes obviously, but that's just the one I've got. So let's get into this bag. Okay. So first of all, just the coat itself feels really, really good. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not, but there's a really nice material to this. Let me just move some stuff out of the way. Really kind of heavy duty as well. It's not like a lightweight jacket, so I think even as a jacket it'll be really, really nice. On the inside there's some fleecing around the neck area by the looks of it, but the rest of it is kind of more of a fabric on the inside. And then as I mentioned, we've got a few zips going on here. So we've got one there, kind of one on either side. We've got them on the sleeve, and on the sleeve here we've got some Velcro, so I guess that's probably to put some kind of patches on, possibly on the arm there. But we've got sleeves there, we've got zips there, sorry, for obviously keeping stuff in the arm section there. Adjustable wrist cuffs there, so with the Velcro, so you can tighten that up. There is a little bit of elastic in there as well, so it should be nice and comfortable. As I mentioned, it does have a hood with a little peak on there, and that is adjustable as well, being able to tighten the hood up around the face. Check out the other side, the other arm. Oh, that side as well, we've got a patch there, and we do have the DEWBU logo there, so some Velcro on there, so you can stick that on there. So you can put both sides on, maybe stick some Velcro kind of logos and stuff onto there. That's quite cool how it comes with it. You see that one, let me just hold that to that camera. You see the DEWBU logo just there. Okay, so that's the coat. Obviously you can't see it that great just here. We'll get some great footage of this, trying this on, just to show it outside and some great lighting. We'll get the battery pack charged up, as I mentioned. That is at 2% at the moment. So we'll get this fully charged up, get some footage of the coat nice and close up, also on me wearing it, and we'll come back at the end just so I can summarise the actual use of it, how warm it is, where the actual patches are. It looks like there is a patch there, for example, on the arm. It's obviously got the arm heating element in. We'll see if those elements keep you nice and warm around the whole of your body. So we're back soon with a fully charged battery and put this thing to use. Okay, all done now with the DEWBU heated jacket. Really impressed. Really smart jacket, really comfy to wear. Obviously the main element of it is keeping you warm, and it certainly does that. We've got the 3 different settings on there. So we've got that blue one, the green one, and the red one being the hottest, blue the medium, green the bottom. So you can keep the kind of green on, ticks away. If you want a bit more of a blast of heat, pop it onto that red one and you can use it really well. So today is November the 22nd, Saturday. So if you're in the UK at the moment, you'll know it's been pretty chilly recently. This has been really helpful. So I've worn this out in the garden, doing a bit of workout in the garden, which I'll hopefully show some footage of in this actual video. I've used it in football. I also used it in Northumberland a few weeks ago, which was really good when it was a little bit windy. Kept me nice and warm in this. Obviously you can layer up as well. So at the moment I have got a hoodie underneath this. So if you are layered up, it does take a little bit longer for the heat to actually come through, I would say, right, compared to having it on directly onto a t-shirt, for example. But either way, really warm. The different patches of heating on the front, the back, and the arms as well kind of gives you that all body, well, all torso heat anyway. And the hood is really good in terms of the fit of it. Nice fit, nice and snug, and it's adjustable as well. You can adjust it with the elastic straps on there, so no complaints at all with the hood. It's been really good at keeping me warm against the wind, so there was some real sea breezes when I was in Northumberland. And the last few days, or the last week or two, I've been chilly in the UK, and this has been brilliant. School runs, that was the other one. School run in the morning, I wore it on. Get me super warm on the school run. So what I'll do is I'll drop links below in the description to the actual jacket if you are looking at this jacket or looking at something in the range, the DEWBU range, and obviously you can check it out for yourself and grab something if you want to grab it for yourself. So links will be below. There's no kind of promotional or sponsorship or affiliation with it. I'll just drop links to the products. I've just been asked to try the jacket. Honest review, there's no affiliation, anything like that. So, but overall, super impressed with the jacket. Okay, all done now. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, or it's at least been informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the jacket, any questions about anything at all, the heat of it, the usage of it, charging of it, for example, anything at all, please do drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, DIY projects, and much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.